So I resume the section. If you still need to join, sure, you can consider to join. If no, and then that's all I can get back. All right, before we have further discussion, maybe let me go to the previous one. For one of you need to scan the QR code again, right? So let me get back to this event. All right, so you can scan the QR code. So finish. This one done.
I just posted.
Online group.
No, I have posted.
Okay, okay. But you want to use it to post the online group, right? Okay, fine. So let me go to the next one. And we will check the line group as well, so that you need to have the record on poll everywhere, and also your photo on line group. And about this one, programming assignment number 1. Oh. We have the programming assignment. Of course, currently the due date is set to March 25th. Right, and perhaps 2 weeks, approximately 2 weeks later, right? Okay, 2 weeks later. And we have 3 problems. The first problem, actually, you almost know all the problems here. MM1, we have MM1 in chapter 1, right? And MM1 in chapter 2. Even you need to check it further how to use the concept of this. But if we don't care about that one, you just want to run the program. The TA illustrate, you should have the successful executable file, right? Here I ask you, of course, so the code in chapter 1, if you have the cases, oh, my array size is small, so you need to have a larger array size. Sure, you can enlarge it once. Oh, you have the exceptional cases for you because of the queue size caused by the limited array. So of course you need to readjust that one. And why not? I then have the service rate, arrival rate, rather than the mean service time, mean inter-arrival time. How to that one here? Reciprocal, 导数. Reciprocal means, oh, we have a mu, and how to have the mean service time? 1 over mu, so it's a reciprocal. Reciprocal of the mean interval time and the mean service rate, mean service rate. So then you have the reciprocal of the mean interval time and the reciprocal of mean service time equal to the rate. And so that if you want to have the setting for the mean interval time and mean service time, you need to have the reciprocal of the rate here. Alright, because program in chapter 1 and 2, we use the mean interval time and mean service time. Therefore, you want to have a mean service time, it should be 1 over 1.2. And as for the others, arrival rate, the first one, choose the first one, 0.2. And so then you have the corresponding times. And then, how to plan to finish this? Okay, so this is problem 1. And problem 1, we also point out the point here. This time, the problem perhaps how to change queuing delay to the current system delays. So system delay including the time when it is served. So mean system delay and also mean system length, including that one in the server. not the customer in the queue. So the mission R means system delays. You need to check the code and then know where to change it. Previously, we have the proper time to get the queuing delay, but this time not the queuing delay. So where to change the source code and so we can have a mean system delay. All right. And likewise, mean system time, we use area, but this time how to accumulate area of mean system length. So even you know chapter 1, chapter 2 source code, but we have new missions, right? And you can think about this. And later I will assign some of a group to discuss problem 1. And I will allow some presenter to share the idea. And you can pass on those ideas to prepare your answer. So all of you need to key in for all the problems. 3 problems, so you need to prepare 3 answers for all of you. Not for the group only. Alright, so you need to listen carefully to the answer provided by the other groups. Alright. So this is problem 1. Okay. And problem 2. It's really tricky. Here we have a finite capacity K. Capacity K means number of a server and the possible space for the queue. So K here, for example, we have K equal to 5. If I ask you, oh, K equal to 5, what is the buffer size? Okay, so we have K equal to 5. So what is the buffer size? 5. Any other value? 6? No, it's 4. 4. Why? 5 minus 1 of server. So we have a 4. 4 equal to the buffer size. So likewise, 9, we should have 8 for the buffer size. Alright, why? K actually means the capacity. You see? K denotes capacity. Number of a server plus space of the buffer. So 5 here equal to 1 plus 4. So 4 equal to space of the buffer. Alright, so we have the limitation for the buffer. And think about the array, right? In chapter 1, we have array. So do you think it's really difficult to have the result? Perhaps no. We have the structure of the program, but you need to have the collection for blocking probability rather than delay. So you need to change that program to collect blocking probability. So blocking probability says, okay, so for example, right now we have 20 students waiting for the line. I can count. All right, maybe I just have a space 4 here. You have 20. Perhaps right now 4 are occupied. If you are the 5th one, coming here, see all the buffer are occupied, so you got rejected, right? And 1 rejected, 2 rejected. However, if we have 20 students try, but just 2 rejected. How to calculate the blocking probability? 2 over 20. That's all. So someone like, oh, let us try. 1 try, oh, I can see here. But next one, oh, black. And till 20, finish. You receive, okay, this time maybe 1 black. So 1 over 20. So this way, then you can have a blocking probability. Likewise, even you have a main structure for the program in chapter 1. Oh, using array. Using array, you need to readjust the size of array and so that you can tune it to the proper value if we have a k equal to 5, 7, 9. Right? You understand what I talk to you now? So it doesn't mean it's really difficult to have finite size, but you need to change how to have the way to collect blocking probability. Alright? So it's okay for problem 2, right? Likewise, we have a new system. We have the arrangement for the array size in the program of chapter 1. But we need to collect the blocking probability. So how you collect the blocking probability? And this problem related to the previous one, time share computer model. But I don't want to make it complicated. I just ask you to have the multiple input. So I have 2 inputs for MN1 queuing system. In fact, MN1 would just have a single one, but specifically I emphasize with the 2 input classes. Classes 1 and classes 2, modeled by 2 person process. Previously, we just have a single person, but right now we have 2 streams of person. So of course, this one, maybe you need to find some concept from chapter 2. Or maybe, forget it. I can have my own program based on the program in chapter 1. That's fine. But you need to have a different arrival. So arrival, look at this. You have 2 arrival. You can try to prepare arrival from class 1, arrival from class 2. Right? So already you have something like head line for each class. And each class, then we have the following way. Okay, I'm a customer from class 1. I should receive, for example, class 2, service rate 1.2, but for the second one, 1.6. Therefore, class 1 equal rate, so no difference. But class 2, yes, we have a difference. Different treatment. We have a service rate 1.1 for class 1 and 1.2 for class 2. Alright. Okay, and finally, one more point. Table. Table means, it doesn't mean the table. It's a form to have the data, so that we have a table. All show in a table. Alright. So that's all. So these are the 3 problems. Right now, let me assign the problem to all of you to have the discussion. So, problem 1. Problem 1. First of all, I split it to mean system delay. How you can find, if possible, you can try to find some possible places to correct. So you can check the source code. And likewise, so mean system length. So good one. Assign. Problem 1. Checking mean system delays. How you can have that one. So right now you can think about that one. If you want to have a discussion, so I suggest you to rotate your tables at fast pace. Correct. And same for the other good, so you can rotate your seats. So good one, checking the problem about mean system delay, and good two, checking mean system length. Alright, so you can start it now. I allow you to have for 5 minutes later, and I will set it later. And good thing, this one, how to collect blocking probability for MN1K. Go for, you can rotate, you'll see, same for you, you can rotate. Or maybe you see closer, yeah. And go for this one. How's different if we have the equal rate? So 3 here, right?
So only class 1?
Class 1, yes.
Okay.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
And you can rotate, you see, and so that it will be easier. Go for here, right? So maybe, yeah, sure, me. Yeah, correct. And go 5, you can see over there. And that you have for 5 minutes. And this you need to have a simple results. Some hint, right? Or maybe I guess where to have the possible result. Okay, that's it. Any possible language if you can have the possible communication. 5 minutes first. But then we assign the presenter. So, good one. Anyone join Skype and start serving as a presenter? You? Okay. Yeah, sure. You serve as a presenter, then you will receive 2 point bonus. And this one. You can join Skype? Okay. Sure. And one of you need to join Skype and start serving as a presenter. Who? Can you join Skype? So one of you. At least you need to have the account. And anyone serving as a presenter to have the account. 大家有 Skype somehow. Or maybe, yeah, sure. So later you will be the presenter for the first time. Or maybe you can ask him, yeah, sure. One of you need to have the account of Skype. Okay, sure. You serve as a presenter. and you can check out while you are I push myself to have discussion. So that's why I'm trying Right, so we have to find any of the line, you will have a line solution. Finally, to put that together, so they're using some simple idea to write this whole algorithm. So, time's up, and let me make sure. One more time. I mean, 1 more minute or 2 more minutes to have discussion.
I need more time.
More time, so two more minutes, is okay? The page you can use your camera to share. So you can prepare something using your LPC. So later if you want to show something. Or maybe something else. Alright, so actually we need to start because no enough time. So think about how to have maybe the current solution you want to share. So 1 minute to finalize your possible solution about the problem you focus. 1 more minute to finalize, and then we follow the sequence. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, and Group 5. Each one allow you to have 2 minutes to share. So Group 1 right now. Go on, first of all, share your screen. Go on, presenter, go 2, go 3, go 4, go 5, presenter. Join Sky first. And first of all, go on, presenter, share your screen. Or share your content.
Okay.
And later allow you to have the presentation. And no need to turn on the microphone. I will pass the microphone to you. So speak louder. 就等一下，如果拿到麦克风就讲大声一点。你们不用开你们的电脑麦克风，用我这边来录。So wait a moment. Go on, ready? You can set up first. Share the content. So share the screen. Okay, I see. Wait a moment.
But I need to check how to make the.
So wait a moment. So it's you. That's correct.
Yeah.
And right now, how to share your content first? Content. You want to talk something?
Oh,
We have nothing to show.
Nothing to show
Yeah,
them.
just talk.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So ready?
Action.
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes. Go.
Oh, okay. So what we think about is like wait a minute. I need to check the text of problem 1. So the problem 1 is the main things we want to do is to have the input of the surface rate of 1.2 and the arrive rate which 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. And what we think about is we need to change the input, the head file, and change the number to fit the arrive rate of those numbers. Then check the result. Then check the result of the code. We put the numbers in. Then just and when we get all of the results, then put it into the table of performance measures vs arrive rates. Then in the end, we will have a table which can show us the how the different arrive rates will change the mean system delays and mean system lengths. How long is it now?
If this all there, that's it. So he mentioned something about the parameter setting, and maybe finally can have the performance measure. But in fact, I expect the team to focus on how you have the idea to have the mean system delays. So about mean system delay, any possible comments again?
We think that you need, when task arrives, you add the arrival time to the table, and then when the task is done, you can at the departure time at the table as well, and then you get the system delay, and then
Okay.
and then you just calculate the average.
All right. So maybe some more details so that you can have for the system delays. All right. So for good one, actually you have for two presenters. I allow two of you can have for the bonus. Sure. So first of all, good one. Try to have the final result and share through the line. All right. And later they can check the answer to key. Okay, so good one finish and prepare the answer on line good. And right now, let us have the discussion for good 2.
Our group 2, and we simply record the total number of arrivals and the number of we just record a total number of system arrival per second and take average of the total arrival.
How to share your screen so that you can share your screen.
No screen.
Just my screen.
I mean, you need to share your screen there so that.
We use the camera.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Share your content of the camera.
We also turn on the camera.
Small, so.
We just talk about it.
Oh, okay. Text. Alright.
We just record a system total number of arrival per second and take an average to obtain the average system mix.
How?
So maybe per second, and we can get a number every second, and maybe 100 seconds, and we can get an average.
So anything else? Alright, same. For go to, you can prepare your answer and upload the answer to line group. And later, all of us need to collect the answer to have your answer. Alright, so finalize and send it to line group. And before I ask group 3 to proceed, group 1 again, your answer to line group. Yeah, okay, group 2 to line group. Now it's group 3. Ready?
I will check my screen.
Enlarge it. Enlarge the size. Yeah.
Okay, so to get the blocking probability, first of all, we need to.
Okay. So to try and get the blocking probability, we can first set our array size to k-1 because the -1 is for the server, and like that we can represent the number that we want. And so I think it's better to use the array code. And so to get the blocking probability, we can run the code as usual, but when we detect that the queue is full, we can delete the arriving task, and we can create a counter that we can call however we want. And we start at 0, and each time a new task cannot enter the queue, we add 1 to this counter. And when the simulation is over, our blocking probability can be estimated with the counter divided by the total number of tasks that we wanted to have. I think that's all for me.
Okay, so look at this. At this, we have the sentence here, right? And so that you can refer some description. So that's why I expect you to have some content to share, including text. All right, so next time, of course, you can share your content so that even you speak something about your content, but you can allow them to follow you passively. And this, I think, we have the description, so it will be easier. All right, so this is the description by Good 3. And next one, Good 4. Ready, go. Share your content.
Hello. So as you can see, maybe we are the most easiest problem in this homework, and so we have the send arrival rate. Because we have the same arrival rate, which is the summation of the two classes, and because we have the same surface rate, so we have the same capacity. So according to the formula of the queuing delay, we have same mu, we have the same mu and the same lambda. So as just as everybody seeing, we have the same answers as 2.5 unit time. Yeah. So the result. So the answer of this question is they have the same queuing delay.
So for the discussion. By Group 4, possibly he tried to mention, about the case 1. We have the equal service rate, so we should have the same queuing delay. But the queuing delay should be obtained by simulation. So at this moment, maybe by calculation. As for calculation, correct or not, I'm not sure. But you need to run simulation to have the result. However, at this you mentioned, for the cache, finally you should have the equal delay for class 1 and class 2 because of this reason.
We don't know the formula for.
No formula. You should understand no formula. If you use formula, 0 for the corresponding problem. Yeah, so no formula. Because of simulation, we need to use simulation. All right, so finally, it's a group. Group 5.
我已经是出套。没有够还够的。
OK。
开到没很多来。
OK。好。Okay. Our problem is case 2. Okay, we have service rate 1.2 for case 1 and 1.6 for case 2. And we can get mean Q delay formula like.
Not formula.
Oh, okay. Sorry, we just use mean Q delay formula. So.
But let me ask you the question. Do you think we should have the same delay or different delay?
I think different delay.
Okay, fine. As for the other calculation, what do you want to share?
We can just give a conclusion.
Sure.
Mean Q delay for case 1 and service rate 1.2 is about 0.417. And the second case is about 0.284.
So you have the calculation values, right?
Okay. Yes.
So just for reference, but you need to use simulation program to have the results. Right? So in your program, actually you need to find the solution using program, not formula. So this one is important. Alright, so that's all. So right now, let me check. Go on, finish sending your reference solution to line group. Yes or no? To line group. I mean to the whole group. To the large group.
We are still
Sure. Actually, if you can send it right now, sure. Because the other members need to look at the content and then later we will prepare. So go on, send it to the whole line group of the class. And go to send it already. Okay, and group 3, send it already. And group 4, finish. Group 5, okay, send it. Even if you have any comments. And right now, we wait for uploading from 2 and 1. So finish, and 5, sorry. And once okay, then you need to answer. By answer, you need to answer all the questions. Actually, this one. So I have 3 problems on Paul algebra, but you need to answer for all of them. Here I have an idea. Listen to me. If you finish, then you can have an answer. Oh, I finished my answer and you can see line group. So you need to collect all the answers, but it doesn't mean you put them all together. You just need to have some, maybe reorganize, and so that you have your answer. It doesn't mean, oh, I collect all and so that it serves my answer. No. You need to look at all the answers and prepare yours. So again, you need to have your ID to upload your answer. For each one, you need to upload your answer. Understand what I talk to you? And so that you can key for the good discussion. Oh, first problem 1, finish, see the line good. For all of you, you can use all the same answer. All right. Okay. So let me make sure again. Go 1, upload the reference solution now. Okay. Go 2. Go 3, 4, and 5. So right now, look at your line group. So can you find the 5 reference solutions? 大家看一下 line 是5个答案都有了。Correct. So we have a 5 reference solution. So you should pass on the 5 reference solution and write your collect. Oh, solution to problem 1, solution to problem 3, and solution to problem 1, 2, 3. And you can have a simple description. All right. Just share. Oh, okay, found it. What's the key point for you to problem 1, problem 2, and problem 3? And you can have your answer. All right, allow you to have 5 minutes to finish and key. Is it okay? Fine. Okay, go. You need to upload to line group and also key on this one. And I can check, finish, and then it's done for you. For both. And also for presenter, you need to share. You are the presenter of group 1. For 2 of you, later you need to mention. And Enzo, you need to mention you are the presenter on line group. You are the presenter of group 2. And your name? Ulis. Ulis.
Yeah.
Ulis.
Yeah.
Ulis. Yeah, you need to mention you are the presenter of group 3. And name of you? In English. Ben. Okay. Same. You need to mention you are the presenter of group 4. Online group.
Online group. Okay.
And group 5. Your name? Yeah. So that possibly next time in English. So right now in English, how to call you? Patrick. Fine, Patrick. Each of you need to have your answer and return to the line group. And also don't forget to key in here. Done and see line group. Done and see line group for the 3 problems. For all of you. 每个人都要在这里面 key。说你已经做完了。我会请助教看，助教回去看你们在 line group 上是都完成。而且你们要有你们的答案。
So we need to go through our answer to my group and order.
Paul Alcohol just mentioned done and see line group. because for everywhere it's limited, right? For everywhere is simply key done and see line group. But for line group, then for all of you need to key on Paul algebra and also key on line group individually. So that's why I emphasize for all of you need to have your answer. Maybe different answer, that's okay. Because you key, so I don't think it will have the same answer. However, try to have the simple sentences or simple, maybe annotated description. If you are you use tablet PC, sure you can write something. And this I ask you to think about this and to try to summarize your final solutions. So one finished, that's correct. And also we will share the results online group. And possibly in the future, I may have some uploaded video for free classrooms purpose. And of course, you can check those if we don't have enough time. 就之后如果我有可能会自己再录一些影片，因为可能时间不够，我让各位去看。但 free classroom then come to the classroom, perhaps I may have a simple test. So of course, I push you to view the video for sure. Alright, and also you should understand, I mentioned we have the free classroom style for all classes, so do not blame for me.
在这上面只要简单写说做完了，请看栏目。对，跟这3题对，3题都可以一样的东西。但是如果你是这样，那你就在拉布上；如果你是在上面的拉布里面，哦，对。
For some of you, if you have the answer on Paul algebra, if you have the answer directly on Paul algebra, then it won't be necessary to upload your answer to line group. If you feel, okay, I want to have all the details, so I want to use line group, then you can use line group to answer. 就如果你觉得说这答案在 Paul algebra 不好回答，你想要用 line group， 你就跟他说，哦，完成，请看我的 line。对。All right. So if you can have the answer on Paul algebra, then that's done. It won't be necessary to have the answer on line group.
So let's put our answer either whatever.
At least I prefer Paul algebra. If you can finish on Paul algebra, then that's fine.
Oh,
Now, you should finish it now. Code. If you want to send the code, you need to. You mean the current problem? In the future? In the future, you need to send it through email to me. I will check it.
So which one need to answer?
Possibly, but I prefer email. If you send it, maybe someone else can see your code. Yeah. So through email will be the best. So now finished. Paul algebra.
Paul algebra 完成，那会准。如果 Paul algebra 答案不完整，就在拉布。对，是这个意思。因为 Paul algebra 有时候不好记，应该 该吐司好像不需要。那明年要叫你写多复杂？有写意思也到它。对台湾同学，我直接这样讲一下。PowerPoint 答案没有要叫你写多复杂，写到重点就好了，哪怕时间很久。对，我们不是要确认很机械，我是要看你写的状况，让你有反思写上去。For international students, all I push you just have some points using simple sentence and then that's enough. Alright, so final 2 minutes. And then that's done. So you should upload to PowerPoint. If you prefer a PowerPoint, then it won't be necessary to send. If you prefer PowerPoint, then it won't be necessary to re-upload your answer to Line Group. But if you are the presenter, don't forget that the TA knows you are the presenter. Today we have 6 presenters. In Group 1 we have 2. And the presenter receives bonus of the presentation. And today we have 5 points. This kind of event, 5 for each problem. So we have 15 points for today's event. I mean, the good discussion 1. As for the other event, attendance 1. And any questions, 2 points. Because of a simple, right? Alright, so just let me know. We still have 48 seconds. And then that's done. So try to get your answer done and upload, finish. And the TA will check your solution and try to think about the points for you. So next time, try to have simple English. Yeah, it will be easier, sure. You can quit it again. And you can follow this one. Oh, that's fine. So finish? Now finish, raise your hands. Final 1 minute. Make it simple. Simple sentence only. At least you need to mention something. What do you have? You try to solve the 3 problems. So Ulis, right? Ulis, correct? And Shang. Shang, so from Indonesia? Vietnam. Oh, okay, Shang. Good. So your name, how to read it?
That's my last name.
Or maybe your name?
My first name is
Sandarin?
Yeah.
Or maybe next time you can use your first name. It will be easier.
Okay.
Let me make sure. Now finish. We have 10 underway, so make sure not finished. Do it soon, using simple sentences only. It doesn't mean I need to have the accurate enough solution, no. Just your own way, and so that tutor can check what you understand. And finish for all of you, right? And the good to finish.
Finish.
Who not finish? Using simple sentence. Okay.
简单句子就好。Final meaning. And the TA will pass on the record. In the past, maybe some of them let me know, oh, okay, I failed to key in, so I don't have the record. So what to do? I heavily rely on the record here, so you need to guarantee you finish it. Or otherwise, if something wrong, you can send it to line group, and then we can have some record to check. Unless some exceptional case, and then we can use line group to have the record for you. And the tutor, the TA will that you have the record maybe possibly every week, and so that you can check it. So let me measure group 4. Finish it, and group 2, Huei-Wen. Your English name first. 英文名字 Willie. Okay, so finish for you. Okay, and Yakam, finish. And your team member, make it simple and upload. Try to have a simple description. It doesn't mean I push you to have a really accurate answer. No, just your own way. Oh, okay, what I have. That's it. And for the answer here, I just push you to think about the problems, 3 problems. And of course, if you have the preparation, then you can start your own source code to finish the 3 problems. Of course, before you submit it, you can have a discussion with your team member. But don't copy the source code from your team member directly. You should have your own source code. Alright? And even we have the group for discussion, it doesn't mean, oh, okay, for all of you, you can work together. No. You have your own source code and you run your result and you show your result. You have your own style. And you are asked to send me an email to include the program so that I have the source code of your answer. Alright, I will check it quickly. It doesn't mean I will check seriously, but I will check it quickly. If you have the possible situation of plagiarism, then I will check them deeply and so that I find, oh, why both of you have the same source code and have the same answer. Normally, we don't have the same answer, right? Unless one thing, oh, okay, you ask ChatGPT to let you have the program, maybe for that purpose. But I don't think even you have it, you will have the same answer. I don't think so. Finally, let me check. Finish by you. Okay, that's it. So it's done. And let me move on to the next one quickly. Perhaps we just have a few minutes. For next one, we'll have this multi-teller bank with the jockey. For the future system, I will that it have some system description. Jockey here to change to a different line, even we have a description. So we will have this, a bank. So this is a real life example. Bank tellers, and we have a customer. You may line up, but finally you want to think, oh, that one shorter, so I want to switch. Alright, so this is the jockey. So that we have this way, we may change. And for that one, maybe it is somewhat complicated. So we just have a simple one. Okay, arrival, departure, and close those. But we don't have the details. Alright, so for this one, I just let it have the problem. And for this, maybe I skip. But next time, double check this quickly. For that one, why this one can describe the bank tellers with the customer jockey, and so that we will know how to have the flow chart for this system. So for next time, I just discuss the problem and let you know the flow chart. And as for the source code, actually you can try to use the source code provided by this chapter. All right. Okay, that's it. So that's Q&A. Before you go, let me make sure any questions. And finalize why we should have the activity. We just ask you to participate, and so that you will have something in your mind, and so that it doesn't mean okay, I don't have any idea about the lecturing today. At least going through the activity, you should have some idea in your mind. Am I right? Okay, hopefully you can enjoy next time. Okay, that's all. If no further questions, see you next time. Bye.